If you've ever wanted to use essential oils, I wanted to come on and share a little bit about how I got started, the most common ways of using oils, how to get your hands on some, which ones are most common or which ones are most helpful. So check it out. Now, I didn't start with all of this. I started with like a lavender, a eucalyptus, and maybe a patchouli. So if you're overwhelmed by looking at like how many oils I have, this is a collection I've had grown over like years. And when I was very first starting, I picked up this little guide using essential oils, and I learned a lot about how to use them, what scents were good for what conditions. And I'm by no means an aromatherapist. Disclaimer, just wanting to share what I've learned in my own experience. And I've learned that there are probably the most three common ways of using essential oils is in a diffuser, you can ingest, or on the skin through a carrier oil. So through a diffuser, you go to the store and you buy like a diffuser. It's a little machine and you put some water in it to dilute the oil, and then you pick your favorite scents and you mix up a concoction. Maybe you have a couple different scents to make a blend, and then you set the setting and it diffuses that oil in the air. And so you get that aromatherapy throughout your house or your bedroom or your bath or whatever. The next way is ingesting. Now, be careful, not all oils are meant to be ingested, so really do your research and consult with like a physician or a holistic health practitioner for more advice on ingesting oils. But I know that Young Living especially makes some for digesting, so they are specifically for, there's like a grapefruit oil that's great for fat burning and all sorts of benefits for digesting. And then my favorite, the common use, is putting it on skin. So grab a carrier oil, maybe 10 drops of oil to 1 drop of essential oil. A carrier oil can be anything: avocado oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, anything that is going to dilute the oil itself, because you don't want to put these directly on your skin alone. They can be quite potent and they could actually have harmful effects if they do that. So drop it in a dilution, and then use it like lotion, use it like perfume. You can use them in massages. You can use them in like a hot compress and put that on your skin. You can put them in your bath water and sit in the bath water with them. So there's so many great uses for essential oils, and I really encourage you to go out and get your own. Again, you can get any flavors or scents that you like. A citrus one is really great to have on hand. Citrus are very energizing, so lemon, orange, or lime. Lavender is very relaxing, helps a lot with anxiety. I use it a lot in my Reiki sessions with clients. And maybe a grounding, like a cedar wood or a patchouli or a sandalwood, something earthy, so you can get that grounding effect. Anything else, just do your own research. All right, I hope you found this super helpful.